Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori. Hey guys, so you want to see inside? Let's look. Funny story. So I thought that I was filming, so I went through the entire box and filmed it, and now I went back onto my phone and it wasn't filming. So I'm gonna go through this again, guys. So at least this time I might know more about the items before I turn around and talk to you guys. So this is about what it looks like when you get it in. Okay, there's 5 items in this box. So let me tell you a little bit about BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription that is monthly. It will renew until you cancel. The base box is $25. The premium box is $35. And the luxe box is $50. Okay, so I get the base box, which is 5 items. The premium, I think, has 7 items. The luxe has like 8 or 9 items in it. And it has beauty tools in it. So to get the luxe box, you must be at least subscribed to the base box or the premium. And then on the 3rd box, you will get the luxe box and be charged for the luxe box. So like June, July, our base box, August would be luxe box. And then the next one, September, October, base box, November, luxe box. Okay, so that's how that works, okay? So let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. Also, I have a link below. Not sure exactly. I think you get a free gift and probably some points. I get points when somebody signs up underneath my link, but it's below in the description box if you're interested, along with all of the information about BoxyCharm. Okay, guys, when you first open it, you're going to get a card. This is what it looks like. And on the back of the card are my items that came in the box. So this is what I'm going to do. Since we've already filmed this and I'm getting ready to film it again, we're going to start with this one. So this is retail value of $18. It is the Queen Studio Mascara. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what it looks like. It's got a nice bright packaging. See that okay, everybody? And then we'll go ahead and open it up so you can see what the wand looks like. I try to stay back far as I can from it because I don't want to touch myself with it. Especially if I don't know if I'm keeping or putting this in a giveaway. I gotta go look. I think I still have 3 or 4 mascaras in there, and I don't want anything to dry up. I want it to be used, so this might be going in the 250 subscriber giveaway. So here's just a little brown box, and in the brown box, I'm really excited about this one. It's a Natasha Dinono palette. This is what it looks like. It is great neutrals for the summer coming up. I know I'd use this one and this one and this one. I'll probably use all of them. So those are very, very pretty. That retails for $48. It is called the Eyeshadow Palette. Now there is another one that is the same price, and it is called the Jubilee Shadow Palette. And it looks like it's got more brighter colors. Like I see a pink, and I see one that kind of looks yellow. Then there's another pink, dark blue, gray. Yeah. So I'm glad I got this one because I like the browns a lot. So that's item number 2. The next item is this right here. Let's see. I think it's right side up. I'm not 100% sure, guys, but This one is a $12 retail value. It is the Georgette Klinger Vitamin C mask. And it's kind of like a thicker mask. So I take it you probably put this on and have to wash this one off. I looked and did not see. So there is a sample. It smells really light, like maybe a citrus tint to it, but it's not floral. And then it's gone. I still feel it. It's sticky right now because it's a mask, but yeah, I can't smell anything anymore. So that is my vitamin C mask. Okay. The next item is by Touch and Soul. It is the Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, and it's $32, and it's this one right here. So let's check it out. I'm in the need of primer. I am getting really low. And then I tried one of those primers that I had back there, and I don't know if this happens to you guys at all, but it happened to me, obviously. Okay, I'm making a mess. So when I used it and I put my makeup up and all that, it started like flaking later. And I was like, what is this? And I'm like going like this, and it's like flakes all over my face. And it was the first time I used this particular primer. So I'm not real happy with that one. So let's check this one out. It's like a gel. It smells good. It has a really light floral smell to it. I'll show you. It's real thick. Okay. But it like dissolves and then you can't feel it anymore. And I can't smell it anymore either. So that's gone. So that was a good one. I like that. I like the primer. Oh my God, girls. Oh. I am throwing stuff everywhere. Okay. So that's awesome. And then I got item number 5. Item number 5 is by Mana Kadar. It is the Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set, and they are really pretty colors. So let me show you how pretty they are. One of them reminds me like of a blush color, but see, I'm blind, so it might not be a blush color. Can you see the difference between the two? Here, let me do this. To me, that looks kind of like a real light pink color, and the other one looks white. But they are little tweezers, which we will get lots of use out of because my husband and I both use tweezers all the time for stuff. I don't pluck my eyebrows. I have those waxed and done. I can't see to pluck my eyebrows. And it would be a catastrophe if I plucked my eyebrows. So, I don't think that'd be a good idea for me. I think I'll just keep going and getting them plucked, right? Or waxed and plucked at the beauty shop. Okay, guys. So, let's see. Got the primer. Whoop. That's a huge jar, too, of primer. I'm looking forward to trying that after the catastrophe with the one I tried yesterday. I got the tweezers. This is item number 2. I got the vitamin C mask. I'm going to have to see if that is at night or in the morning. I'll have to read up on that one. Or if anybody knows how to use this, let me know. I got the mascara. And I got the palette, which is my favorite piece in the whole box, guys. So, okay, second go around. I hope I'm filming right. I'm ridiculous. Normally I can hear it go beep beep, and then I know that it has started. So let me shut all this stuff off while I yak at you for a second. Okay. So put that away. Okay. I want to say thank you. As I tell you every time I have a video, I just want to say thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for subscribing. I'm getting closer to my 250. Every day I look at my numbers and they go up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm just kind of like stagnant at this moment. So as soon as I hit 250 though, I will create the video and share it with you, and somebody will win that huge prize. I mean, it's packed full. The bag is packed full of stuff. So we'll get to that when I get to 250. But if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. My channel, actually, it is all about my life. My name is Lori, and I am legally blind. I do things a little bit differently. So watch me travel, watch me open boxes and do reviews. Watch me just kind of do everything on a daily and a weekly vlog. If you're interested in that, click subscribe below. Hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos, and hit the like button for me, please. That helps my channel to be put out to more people. If more people see it, I might get more subscribers. And as you know, I am working towards the 1,000 mark of subscribers. That is when you get monetized. There's other things also, but I need to get to that point before I'm allowed to be monetized. So, okay guys, I guess that is it for this video. Thanks for watching my Boxycharm April, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.